Okay, guys, I'm pretty funny right if I were touching that. Does I just have to do this local T-shirt? Say it's kind of awkward because some of us, but I said that. I said